guys, it's D-Man here, and today I'm going to show you a video on how to make a paper airplane. Alright, first of all, you're going to need a normal piece of paper. You're going to want to fold it as is, and do the same on the other side. Like you're drawing a house. And you're going to want to fold the wings in one more time, as is, and do the same on the other side, as is. You want to fold it in half, just like this, and fold the wing back, just like that. And do the same on the other side, as is. Hey guys, this is D-Man here, and we're doing a test flight.